Hey folks, good afternoon. Hope you're enjoying your Tuesday. For today, we're expecting those rain chances to be ranging up to a 30% for our valley. Highs will be up to 90s or the mid 90s for our area. And we're expecting that for tomorrow, that rain chance will be going down a little bit up to a 10% for our valley. Now let's move over to see what we're expecting in terms of precipitation. Like I mentioned, throughout the next couple of days, we're expecting for that precipitation to be lowering down. But the highs overall for today, even though we're going to be in the mid 90s, in our valley, Roma will be reaching up to 98 degrees. They're going to be a little bit warmer in Stark County, 97 in Rio Grande City, 96 in San Isidro. We move closer to Hidalgo County in the range of the 95 and 96 degree mark, and closer to the coast, those temperatures a little cooler at 88 in Los Fresnos, 86 in South Padre Island, and 93 for Brownsville. Moving over to see what we're currently seeing at the moment, mostly clear skies of precipitation, but we did receive a pretty good amount of rain yesterday. Take a look at this, about 2.7 inches of rain just to the north of Alton and Citrus City. We also had some rain just over Harlingen. Harlingen actually got a good chunk of rain, as well as Wesco. Those of you who were outdoors may have noticed those big gray clouds just to the east of you. And we also had 1.3 inches of precipitation to the north of Los Fresnos and south of Arroyo Gardens. Moving over to see what we're seeing over in the Gulf of Mexico, we're actually seeing a lot more rain and precipitation over their area because there's actually a tropical depression that previously was a disturbance just became a tropical depression. Now, it has currently already dropped a lot of rainfalls over portions of Houston, as you can see, up to 2.1 inches, 1 inch in other areas. Now, this same system will continue to move north, and it will continue to drop more rain, so they could potentially be seeing some flash flooding throughout the next couple of hours. Some areas will have that system making landfall at around 2 p.m. and then throughout the rest of the afternoon, that same system will continue to move north. Now, if this system is a very, very slow moving depression, it could be something that it could really concern people, because as that system moves slowly, it starts dropping more rain, causing that flash flooding that people are a little concerned about. So take a look at all the precipitation that will be concentrating over Houston for today and for tomorrow. Now, us here, because we have that convection on the counterclockwise area here along this low pressure system, the wet side sticks to this side. Now we begin to get drier conditions here in the valley. We might see a bit of cloudiness over our area, but for the most part, we will be seeing drier conditions for our valley. Now take a look at this, folks. That heavy precipitation will continue for Houston, the Houston areas. For those of you who are planning to travel, keep in mind that there will be a lot of rain, and they will be expecting rain for today and for tomorrow. Us here in the valley, only a slight 30% for today. Then for tomorrow, it drops to a 10%. So moving over to see those rain chances for Tuesday and Wednesday, from a 30 to a 10, then a 20 on Thursday. Spotty showers or a thunderstorm could be possible. Now we're still tracking another hurricane over the Atlantic. Humberto at the moment has moved a little more to, as we can see, a little more to the east as Hurricane Category 2. It will continue to move very close to the Bermudas, and that could be a little worrisome for them. It will be moving very close to their area. Now let's take a look at your 7-day forecast for today, folks. For those of you who are planning to do any activities, remember we have a 30% rain chance, 90s all week. The fall is around the corner. That was a look at your First Warn 5 AccuWeather forecast.